Grade 8 Science conducted by Nutara Gunavira. First lesson, Importance of Microorganisms. In grade 6, we learned about basic things of microorganisms. Grade 8 is advanced than grade 6, though we have to learn some new things about microorganisms in this lesson. Let's see. 1.1 Microorganisms. Activity 1.1. You will need a sample of coconut water, a glass slide, a cover slip, light microscope. Put the coconut water into a clean container and keep it open for 3 days. Then put a drop of coconut water on the glass slide and cover it with a cover slip. You can do this activity with your at home with your parents. Observe the prepared style through the light microscope under low power. You know the low power and high power, and you know the parts of microorganisms because we learned about parts of microorganisms in grade 7. Uh, get the help of your teacher. If you do this at home, you can get the help of your parents. Present your observation through diagram. This is the microorganisms in a sample of aged coconut water. In this activity, you have to do this activity. I'll only say the conclusion. The conclusion is yeast is a microorganism. What are microorganisms? Let's see. The unicellular or multicellular organisms which cannot be observed clearly by naked eye are called microorganisms. The unicellular. What means unicellular? Single-celled. Multicellular means many or lots of cells. You learned about cells in grade 6. Microorganisms are found in every habitat on the earth. Atmosphere, water, soil, on living organisms, including hostile environments. Glacier, deserts, hot springs, deep sea and saline environment. Can we live in those environments? But microorganisms can live in those environments because they because we can't live in there because we want oxygen to live. Let's identify some microorganisms. This is bacteria. This is yeast. This is chlamydomonas. This is an algae species. This is amoeba. This is mucor. This is a fungal variety. And this is bacteria. This is paramecium. Viruses. There is no conclusion yet as to whether they are living or non-living. Viruses can be observed through electron microscope. Why viruses can be observed through electron microscope? Because viruses are very small. Viruses are very harmful to the human body. The Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek observed microorganisms for the very first time in 1674 using a simple microscope that he invented. This is the picture of Antony van Leeuwenhoek. This is the microscope he invented. End of the lesson. See you from 1.2 Effects of Microorganisms on Food. Goodbye, stay safe and follow the health instruction.